The villa stood defiant, a geometric marvel jutting towards the sun-drenched French Riviera. Its very form, a perfect triangle, defied convention, its purpose as clear as the azure waters it surveyed. This wasn't just a house, it was a conduit, a vessel designed to capture the breathtaking dual panorama of Sanary and Toulon bays. Architect and owner joined hands in a shared vision. The long, 35-meter beachfront wasn't enough. They craved more, a chance to experience the full spectrum of the coastline's beauty. The answer lay in the unconventional layout. The triangular plan stretched its arms outwards, embracing both bays, maximizing the frontage that feasted on the seascape. Sunlight, a constant companion, played a starring role. As it rose over Sanary, bathing its bay in a golden glow, the living spaces aligned with that sunrise symphony. The living room, kitchen, and master bedroom transformed into open extensions of the terrace. Imagine waking up in the master suite, not to a wall, but to the ever-changing canvas of the bay. Sliding glass doors blurred the lines between indoors and outdoors, creating a seamless flow of light and life. As the day progressed, the villa would gracefully pivot, its focus shifting to capture the afternoon light filtering over Toulon. The summer room and summer kitchen, perched on the terrace like birds facing the sun, became the heart of the afternoon, perfect for lounging and languid meals bathed in the warm glow. Privacy, however, found its haven on the other side of the triangle. Here, the entrance facade welcomed guests with a touch of mystery, shielding the private quarters within. Stepping inside, a serene interior garden offered a tranquil counterpoint to the vibrant coastal vistas. Lush greenery provided a sense of calm, a space to retreat and rejuvenate. The villa's exterior was just as innovative as its layout. The facade cladding, a unique application of extruded terracotta, was tailor-made for this project. This special skin not only offered protection from the elements, but also echoed the warmth of the sun-drenched landscape, creating a harmonious blend between the villa and its breathtaking surroundings. This wasn't just a villa, it was a living testament to a vision. A vision of blurring boundaries, of embracing the sun's journey, of finding solace in both the vibrant expanse of the sea and the quietude of a private oasis. Here, in this triangular paradise, life unfolded in perfect harmony with the beauty of the French Riviera. If you're looking for a dream home that breaks the mold and celebrates the wonders of nature, then a villa like this might be for you. Imagine sipping your morning coffee with the sunrise over Sanary Bay, painting the sky in hues of pink and orange. Picture spending lazy afternoons on the summer terrace, the sound of waves lapping at the shore a constant melody. This isn't just a house, it's an experience. It's a chance to live and breathe the French Riviera, to be part of the ever-changing spectacle of the coastline. So, if you're an architect, an innovator, or simply someone who dreams of a life bathed in sunshine and beauty, then keep this triangular marvel in mind. It might just be the inspiration you've been searching for. For more incredible architectural finds and stunning locations, be sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below letting me know what kind of homes you'd love to see featured next. Until then, happy adventuring.